If you're a self-employed individual, you're probably well aware of the burden self-employment taxes can have on your income. But what if I told you there's a way to reduce your self-employment taxes legally without getting caught in a maze of loopholes or complicated processes? In this video, we'll dive deep into actionable strategies that can help you keep more of your hard-earned money and, yes, legally lower your tax bill. Before we get into it, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description below to access a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are securing their retirement savings with gold IRAs to safeguard against inflation and economic uncertainty, and this guide is the perfect place to start for anyone with a substantial IRA or 401k. So don't miss out. Check it out after this video. Now, let's talk about how you can reduce your self-employment taxes. First, it's important to understand that self-employed individuals are subject to both income tax and self-employment tax. The self-employment tax is essentially the Social Security and Medicare tax, which, as a self-employed person, you pay the full amount of 15.3%, as opposed to the 7.65% that employees typically pay. One of the first things you can do to reduce your self-employment tax is to maximize your business deductions. As a self-employed person, you can deduct a wide variety of business-related expenses, like office supplies, mileage, and even part of your home if you have a home office. These deductions reduce your taxable income, which in turn lowers the amount of self-employment tax you owe. Another strategy that many self-employed individuals overlook is contributing to a retirement account. You can contribute to a SEP IRA, a simple IRA, or even a solo 401k, which will reduce your taxable income and help you save for retirement at the same time. Not only does this reduce the amount of income subject to self-employment tax, but it also helps you build wealth for the future. Speaking of retirement, if you have more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, then you should seriously consider diversifying into a gold IRA. A gold IRA can protect your wealth against market volatility, and it's a great option for self-employed individuals who want to keep their retirement funds safe from inflation and economic downturns. If you're interested in learning more about gold IRAs, that free guide is just a click away in the description below. Next up, let's talk about structuring your business. If you're a sole proprietor, you're taxed at your personal income tax rate, which could put you in a higher tax bracket. One way to reduce your taxes is by forming an S-Corp. With an S-Corp, you can pay yourself a reasonable salary and take the remaining income as distributions, which aren't subject to self-employment tax. This strategy could significantly lower your self-employment tax bill as long as you follow IRS guidelines about reasonable compensation. Additionally, keeping good records is crucial. The better you track your income and expenses, the easier it will be to identify deductions and minimize your tax liability. You can even hire an accountant to help you maximize deductions while ensuring you're in compliance with all tax laws. Don't leave money on the table. Investing in good bookkeeping software or professional help can save you more than it costs in the long run. Now let's touch on health insurance. If you're self-employed and paying for your own health insurance, you can deduct the cost of that insurance from your taxable income. This reduces both your income tax and self-employment tax. It's one of the most underutilized tax breaks for the self-employed, so make sure you're taking full advantage of it. As we wrap up, I want to stress the importance of planning ahead. Tax laws change frequently, and staying on top of your tax strategies is key to saving money. The last thing you want is to be caught off guard when tax season rolls around. And again, if you're looking to protect your wealth and secure your retirement, especially if you have a significant IRA or 401k, I strongly suggest you check out the free Gold IRA guide linked below. Thousands of Americans are making the smart move by diversifying their retirement savings with gold. So if you're serious about building and protecting your wealth, make sure you get your hands on that free guide today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.